Hello guys. In this video I will show you how to change the colors for your Twitter on your PC. So it's very simple. You just go to more here, and then here is an option saying display. You can go here, and here you have quite a lot of options. For background color, you can choose the default, which is white, which is not very healthy for your eyes, and to be honest, it's quite frustrating for me, at least. So you can choose dim, which is like dark blue, very cool color, background color, or lights out, which is like black, totally black. My preference is the dim version because the black is like the other very extreme version. I don't like that. I like the dim version. So like this looks quite stylish. And for the colors, for the accent colors, you have 6 options. You can go with the classic blue, you can choose orange, yellow, pink, purple, orange, or green. I kind of like the green. This one looks cool with the bluish background, but the classic blue is also good. So yeah, or even the pink. This is a nice accent to it. And you can also choose the font size if you're here. If you have very good eyes, you can go like very small, which I wouldn't really recommend, because even if you had good eyes, it might be not so healthy to go like very small. I use it on average, and yeah, that's it pretty much. Thank you for your attention. Please, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing. And yeah, thank you for watching and have a nice day. And make sure not to be Twitter addicted. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.